Good morning, guys, and it's time to go home. We just came from the airport, and this is like our 4 a.m. 3 a.m. drive. Normally the best flights now are early in the morning. I mean, like, not morning, even at dawn, because there's no traffic. But also in Manila, when you arrive, if ever you're going to Manila, when you arrive, there's no traffic at around 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. compared when you arrive around during rush hour. So a lot of flights now are in the morning, or sometimes late at night, especially going home. Cebuanos, try to maximize Manila. They go home late at night, maybe also due to Manila traffic. So muna, it's a rainy December morning in Cebu. It's a Sunday morning. It would be nice to go to Alisa, but it's raining. It's pouring. Yeah. It's been a while since we had our last drive, but finally get a chance. I don't know if we're gonna pass by the CCLX now or today. We'll see. Coming here, we passed by the CCLX. So how's Cebu? Well, Cebu, this is Cebu. Past couple of months were quite, except probably in the political front, there's controversy in Cebu City for mayor, even in Mandaue City. But the more of the juicy issues are in the national level, where the drama between Sara Duterte, BBM, and the rift between the team unity. It's just quite deep already. Even it's bordering like a teleserie. Some people think that it's like better than teleserie. A lot of political drama happening, and it will have a lot of implications in the May elections. So over the past couple of weeks, I've seen national candidates visiting Cebu. We had Manny Pacquiao, who's just outing to be like a Cebuano, to be one of us, and hoping that we will add another Bisaya voice in the Senate. Sometimes we are I'm surprised that he has haters. A lot of comments about gano kuno, why is he aligning with the administration camp when he says he is against he's against thieves or magnanakaw. And also I think there are many, I guess, expect someone from the Visayas and Mindanao. I guess they want you to align with the Dutertes, of course. But a candidate's gonna do what a candidate's gonna do. If you wanna win, first you have to naman na kayo mga advisors. And I think you have to create studies as a usog. So if you're gonna ask me if Manny Pacquiao, can Manny Pacquiao win? Definitely. The name recall is probably one of the highest, definitely. even the people in the mountains know Manny Pacquiao. And second, he's been a senator already, so he has shown that he can win that coveted position already. And third, I guess, aligning himself in administration. Well, it's gonna be campaign funds. So, and I think this administration will really make sure that their allies will win this coming midterm election. Because midterm elections is like a referendum of your rule, of your administration. If you can, have the majority in the Senate, majority of the winners aren't yours, it says a lot about your administration, or I would say it says a lot of your choices of candidates as well. But wala. At least nihinay ng ulan dere. Yeah, but a rainy Sunday morning. We are gonna go to the CCLX. Sana pala po City just under Fiesta. Drive, so pasensya na lang sa atong windshield. So at least wala yung wonder sa poblasyon. Then left and right here. Early birds. To the airport, medyo pusog ang muwan kanina dire, but at least now it's relatively better, of course, pero still careful ng mga tao, basa ang dalan. But I think it's gonna be a rainy day today, but hopefully hindi good grabe. But yeah, sometimes rains are really good. Is for the there's a puddle of water. Mana so political, Manny na challenge yun na. So Manny Pacquiao probably he will win, definitely. And because what are the merits of having a Manny Pacquiao? I guess we shouldn't put a lot of people who said the elitist would say that he's not the right candidate. Main considerations, because one, is not educated, but you can always hire lawyers now when it comes to legislation. Lawyers, advisors, he has the heart for the people. Lahisan ka Manny Pacquiao, he may be rich now, but I guess he's one of the few candidates who really suffered, I would say, or really experienced real poverty. Ordinaryo lang ba? Diba? Kabus. Kaingon siya na. Maybe sometimes he might exaggerate things na grabe kayo, but you don't know, being a boxer, that's one of the hardest things or jobs. Di ka mukaon. and you still train because you need to be really at a really low weight, almost pila na ng body fat, just to get to a certain weight para makaaway. O, diba? That takes discipline. It's not a rich man's sport. Walang usay, I think the decline in boxing usay ba kay lalim mag-boxer, oy. There is there are so many options na tingin mo na uban tingali don't have the heart, but also mananihina yung boxer because boxing there kay promotions. So, wala kay mga fight promotions, wala kay mga boxing gym because it's a big investment. O yung pila na yung mabawi, pila na yung world champion. Kung world champion, I don't know how much are they gonna get, diba? It's not really the same as the time of Manny Pacquiao, diba? Mau na. That's the main gist, diba? And another candidate who came to the Cebu was Chavit Singson. Wow. And I'm quite surprised about his platform about electrification, I mean modernization, EVs, modernization of public transportation. So surprising, you know. All the people who are calling for it. It's Chavit Singson, and he said that he also has factories in Korea, has access to give, you know, mga opportunity to our drivers, or cooperatives, to LGUs, kung ganun sila mag-modernize sa ilang public transport, kay offer siya zero interest to lower price sa mga electric jeeps or buses, or diba, then 3 million normally. Now he's offering it 1.2 plus it's 5 years zero interest. Interesting proposition, diba? And he want to propose that every one of us will be, you know, we'll have our ATMs, bank tayo, and then we'll be given, every citizen, I think will be given around 500 pesos a month. Diba? Interesting. So Chavit has clearer plans, but I don't know. I think his path to victory is not as good as Manny, but we don't know what happens, diba? Kung election, anything can happen. So, diba? Wala. Come on, are you ready for 2025 elections, diba? Who will you align with? No, diba? Kinsa ba yung mga manok? Nagapaha na dali. So, wala. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope kasi nasan sa mga next na to drives. Sensya na medyo kuha ng windshield, but nga na magina. But it's good to be back driving and talking to you guys, and you know, giving you some life updates. See you. Bye.